Hello, viewers. Welcome to my channel, Sensor 360 Investor. I'm going to do a quick video on an ETF called FFTY, which basically is supposed to be a representation of IBD 50s watch list, which is a very well-known, widely used watch list of momentum stocks, which have both a fundamental aspect to them as well as a strong technical momentum. But as we can see, the ETF itself has been going through a bit of a downturn. It's still establishing a well represented downtrend from here. So next up, we'll take a look at the component features of this, and then we'll try and ascertain if there's a turn with momentum stocks ahead. Okay, so the first of the components, and I've got these showing up in kind of technical momentum strength. So we're going to go from the top to the bottom. So the strongest one in the list is SMCI. So we can see clearly it's in a lower left, upper right pattern, exhibiting strong momentum. So this is representative of good momentum. So that's a good start. ACLS. Again, the stock showing strong momentum. LGM from the lows, it's been coming back quite strong. Period networks, a little bit slower, but the trend is up nevertheless. Rambus, big move last week, and we can see strong upward moving stock. Axon, overall up move, and then quite the move from mid 22. Well, this is more of a recent IPO, still trying to find its footing. Same as on, and then Lattice, semis, nice strong uptrend. 4, good move off the lows here after an initial IPO run, which is pretty impressive. And then Mercado Libre, a little double top here, downtrend, it's reversed, now moving back up, showing strength. STM, another strong move last week, clearing this base. IoT, IPO, kind of going through its early stages, trying to find its footing, may work its way up. DraftKings, which had a nice run early on, double top over here. Then we've had a down move, trying to stabilize and looking promising. The new uptrend is about to emerge. CPRX, nice strong uptrend. LNTH, another strong uptrend. ANET, another good strong looking stock. MTH, good overall uptrend. A little slower moving, but then you've got this nice consolidation coming back up, little handle area, looking to make a break up. TPH coming up almost at the end of its consolidation. NVO, nice strong uptrend. ON, another good strong momentum stock. And then Hubs. So this one looks like it's kind of bottomed out and maybe starting to march on the upside, on the right-hand side of that consolidation. CLH, pretty strong. PHM, housing, that looks pretty strong. Slab, come through a consolidation and looking now to make a move above this area. AMD, so this was one of the big tech stocks in prior years. Nice long sell-off, and also looking like it's established a new uptrend. GWD, that is a good-looking momentum stock. FND is finding its way. KVOMs, CDNS. So all of these stocks are definitely exhibiting nice uptrends. Monolithic Power, it's got a very strong uptrend here, consolidation. So move up into this area, should see this stock continue to power up. Salesforce, so this is a big stodgy stock. It looks like it's putting a bottom and starting to find its way into an uptrend. DB, Copart, ADI, LRCX, Pico, GPK. That's nice momentum there. Avago, another tech stock which is showing good patterns. And then Workday, big tech stock in the cloud arena. Pretty big move last week. And you can see it undercuts the prior low, sets up, little base here, little base there, and then off to the races. Fly, W still working its way out. Power, nice strong uptrend. SMAR, smart sheets, I guess. This one needs a bit more work. And then trade desk, AGL. So now we're into the ones that's still early on, trying to get their footing back. Taiwan semis, BJ's, Tractor Supply, and Mobileye, which is really come back as an IPO. It was purchased by, I think it was Intel in its first life. In the second life, it's made a real good start, basing up here, and then potentially moving up. So overall, most of the stocks actually look pretty good and they exhibit momentum. So the question is, are they don't seem to be reflecting that the FFTY itself is down like this. I would have thought, based on what we just saw, that this should have been in a better place. So maybe this is lagging a little bit for however they're doing the weightings to work this out in terms of pricing, etc. Or maybe the demand for the ETF itself isn't quite there, and that's what's determining this downtrend versus the underlying stocks in its component. So there's a little bit of divergence, I would say, between the underlying holdings and the ETF itself. So if you're looking to play the FFTY as a proxy for the IBD 50 stocks, it doesn't seem to be correlating in this current market. But useful exercise, which we can try again in a stronger market to see how that looks. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share tonight. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. And I will see you next time in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.